What's up, everybody? I hope you're doing well out there. I'm Adam. Welcome to Mustang Nation. Right behind me is my 1999 Ford Mustang GT. You've probably seen it on some of the videos here on the channel. And first of all, I want to welcome everybody and say thank you for watching, thank you for commenting, and welcome to all the new subscribers that we've gotten. The other purpose of this video is to talk about this Mustang and what are my plans for the immediate future. I have a ton of plans going forward, but I did pick up a few things and I wanted to share them with you. Now, first of all, my 99 Mustang, as you see here, is wearing some Ford Racing Chrome FR 500s. These are 18-inch. They're really tough to find. It's a square setup, 18 by 9 all around. And while I really like them, I'm actually thinking about trying something a little different. So I'm wondering, what's your opinion out there? I've been looking at the SVE NVX wheel in gunmetal. I really think that'll look great on this car. The Ford Racing, or the SVE rather, the FR 500 in anthracite with a staggered 17 by 9 in the front, 17 by 10 and a half in the back. I really like the staggered look, a little bit more than the square. And like I said, I'm not 100% sold on getting rid of these, but I've been thinking about it. So I'd love to get your input. Do me a favor, throw them down in the comments section down below. And if you want to see what these wheels look like, I will link a previous video where I did kind of an unveiling talking about my experiences with LMR, late model restoration. And at the end of it, there's a nice little cinematic view of these wheels on the car. So let's talk about some of the things we have in store for this Mustang. So on these shelving, I have 3 boxes, 1, 2, and 3. So let's take these out and take a look at what I have so far planned. So the first thing we have here is a new steering wheel. Now the Mustang GT has a single wrapped leather steering wheel. So we're going to be swapping it out for a really nice condition 2003 Mustang Cobra steering wheel. This is double wrapped leather. It's considerably thicker than the GT wheel, but at the same time you don't have to pay GT 350 money for it. So I'm really excited about getting this on the car. I also have the option of changing my interior color around this to black. I have kind of the clamshell that goes around the steering column, as well as the piece that goes on the back of the wheel. The only thing I would need is a black or dark charcoal airbag. I don't know if I want to swap it over. I kind of do like the two-tone, but I can always do this now and then move into the black if I so choose in the future. So this is something that I'm going to be doing on the car very soon. So what we have here is something that's really cool, and hopefully it'll address those wheel gap issues that the SN95 and more importantly the new age Mustang seems to suffer from. Now this looks like an iBox suspension box, and it is, but what's inside of it is not a set of iBox springs. What's inside is, see if I can open this so you can see it, a set of OEM 2001 Mustang Bullet springs. These are OEM on the 2001 Bullet, slightly different than the 2003-2004 Mach 1. It should lower my new edge about 3/4 of an inch. They are the correct parts. I do have the engineering stamping on them. These were super tough to find, but I kind of stumbled across them. So I went with these for now. If I decide in the future I want more of a drop, easy to swap them out and swap another set of springs in. So these will be going on very soon. Now it doesn't make sense to swap out the springs and leave the stock struts and shocks. So I have a brand new set of Takiko Blues front and rear. They are not adjustable, but they are Takikos, similar to what came on the Mach 1 and Bullets. So these are brand new, and I will be swapping them in when we do the springs. Something else about this car. Now this car is fairly stock. It's a 99 automatic 4R70W. However, it did go $13.99 at 98 at Cecil County Dragway in Rising Sun, Maryland, a number of years ago. So it's pretty decent. It's still got the stock gears in the back. It has an air-raid cold air intake, which I did detail on a video here on the channel. I'll throw a card up there. And it also has a Mac catback. Aside from that, it's fairly stock. It still has the original Ford catalytic converters on it because the reality is here we live on Long Island, New York, where emissions are just what we have to deal with. So I will be swapping an X-Pipe, probably a Bassani X-Pipe with cats onto this to get a deeper tone out of it. Kind of psyched about that. It sounds good, but I just want it to be a little deeper, so that'll probably be going on probably by the winter or during the spring, early spring or something. So springtime is when I want this to kind of come out and look better, sound better, ride better. So that's a quick update on the channel and on the car. Once again, thank you very much and welcome to all the new subscribers, and look for more content here on Mustang Nation. Thank you so much for being a part of it. All right, so long.